So, did you know we have millions of traders around the world who are struggling to make 20 pips, 30 pips, 50 pips in the forex market consistently, be it daily, be it weekly? We have millions of traders like that who cannot boast of 20 pips in the forex markets with confidence, right? So, the fact is that we have more than 90% of traders in the world who do not make money. We have a lot of traders who actually lose money in the forex market, but it is actually very possible to become a profitable trader, provided you are willing to adapt and learn the right trading system that you need to be using. So we have a trading system in this case whereby we are able to generate 500 pips, 600 pips to our team every single week. So this trading system that we use, we've been using this trading system for more than 7 years. It's been tested, trusted, time after time again. We've also mentored more than 300 students around the world with this very trading system to be able to become self-sufficient in the forex market. So also we have a group whereby we call trades and trade signals with this very same trading system. So one of the good weeks we had, that was the third week of November, whereby we called 7 trades in the market for the week, and all these 7 trades and ended as a winner. Right, we made good money from all these 7 trades. So I'm going to be showing you in practical how all these 7 trades were called and the result from these 7 trades. Right. So like I said severally, every single trade that we call in the private group are always on record. So we have records for every single trade. So if a trade ends up a winner, everyone in the group can access it. If a trade ends up a loser, everyone in the group has access to it. So there is no shadiness, everything is very transparent as that. So we called out 7 trades for the week of November, the third week of November, and I'm going to be showing you all 7 trades, how they were called, and how we were able to generate more than 600 pips for that very trading week. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also smash the bell icon to be able to get notified for every single content that I bring your way every single week. So check out the video right now and also be sure to get in touch with us to work with us as well. Peace.
Yes, so I'm quickly going to run you through everything that we did in the market with the members in the Blue VIP group on the third week of November. So that very week, we had a very good time in the market. We called out 7 trades, and all 7 trades were great trades, profitable trades. We made good money in the market that very week, the third week of November. That is from I think 14th to 18th, right? So let's go on to show you all the trades. Remember, I said every trade is always on records. We have records for every trade that's called and the performances of each trade. So the first trade we called for the week, that was on Monday. The first trade here, we got about 60 pips. So let me quickly show you the trade and show you what happened. So this is the trade, Euro sell, Euro AUD. We called out sell. The stop loss was 35 pips. So this was our first TP right here, and this was our second TP at this very level. So you would notice this is the chart of Euro AUD on the M30. We had our entry somewhere around here, and the first TP was right here, the second TP was down here. So let's quickly look at the MT4 to see if we got that very move. So this is the very move right here. This was the trade right over here. And remember I said we called out sell, and this was our entry right over here. That was our entry. So we had our first TP, which was right here. This was our first TP, which was hit. So first TP was hit on this trade, and we had second TP all the way down here. But the first TP got hit, and that was the main thing. So we had 60 pips on that move for the first TP. So TP1 here gave us about 70 pips actually. So that is EA. That was the first trade for the week, which was EA, this very trade over here. Same thing you see right here is what we have over here. So the second trade we also looked at was pound USD. This one we're looking at buys on pound USD. On the M30 time frame, we're looking for buys. So let's look at what happened on pound USD on the M30 time frame. So we're looking for longs on that very trade. You can see that's the same move on the M30. we're looking for longs. So from that move, you can see this also played out perfectly. We had longs from this very level. This was our entry level, and we got longs from that point all the way to this very high. This was our TP right here, over here. So price gave us this trade also. We had a winning trade on this one as well. And with this, I believe we got about 100 pips on this move here. So let's quickly count the pips in this case. So you can see over here, we had 100 pips to the TP. So that was the GU, the second trade for the week, this very one here. So TP1 was somewhere around here, this low, and the TP2 was all the way up here. So price gave us both TPs. So the third one here is EA 150 pips. So this is the trade. This was called from a mobile phone. So we're looking at EA for shorts. Once again on the H1, we had our first TP down here, second TP down here. So let's see what happened on that EA trade as well. So entry level right over here, this high, that was our entry level, and that we were looking for short. So we had the first TP down here, and we had the second TP down here. So this is what that was what we did on our EA for the third trade, right? This one right here. So first TP right here, which is over here, the second TP down here, which is right here. So that also was a very good trade, and this gave us first TP here, we had about 90 pips, second TP here, we had about 150 pips. So that is what happened on EA. This also very good trade, played out nicely. The next one, which is pound USD once again, the fourth trade for 100 pips. We made 100 pips on that call. Let's look at it. So this is pound USD on the H4 time frame. We're looking for shorts. So let's look at pound USD on the H4. We're looking for shorts right here. This is the trade. So we had a short-term trade on the pound USD on the H4. We have our entry right here. The first TP was right over here. So very short, quick trade. So this also, we had a good trade. We had a good run on this as well. This was our entry somewhere around here. And our TP, the first TP, the first arrow, as you can see, was right here, right? So we did something like this, and price gave us exactly that. So the first TP from this high to this level here, this is about 120 pips, about 120 pips on that very trade. So when you go back, let's go back. So here you can see on the H4 from this high to this level here, that is the first TP. The second TP was all the way down here, but price came all the way to the first TP, and we had 120 pips on that trade. So let's go on to the next trade. The next trade, which is the fifth one, EA. EA, we're looking for longs on EA. We had the first TP right here, and this is a trade on the M30 time frame. We're looking for buys, right? From this very low, that was our entry level, and the first TP is right here. So let's look at EA once again on the M30. This is the same move. This is the same move we gave out, we called out. So we had buys from this very low, and the TP on that trade was all the way up here, right here. That was our TP. That was the call we made on EA. And when you go back, you would see the same thing, right? So from this low, we're looking to go all the way bullish up here. So we called buy on that trade. So EA buy 30 pips stop loss. So we got the same thing. Price gave us this move here. This completed a double bottom and then continued with the move. So 30 pips stop loss was in play. You can see 30 pips is all the way down here, was never tested. So price gave us very good bullish move. We had another 120 pips, 120 pips on this trade. So that is the other one. So let's go on to the next trade. So the sixth trade for 60 pips, that is EA. EA once again, we got sell. We called sell on EA once again on the M30s. That is after this old rise. After this old rise up here, we called sell once again on EA for short. So the first TP was right over here, 60 pips. So let's see right here. So this is the same trade I have on the screen over here. So we called this very sell, and then price gave us 60 pips, just as easy as that right here. So 60 pips. So when you count this, I believe you will get right about 70 pips, right about 70 pips. So that is here. The sixth trade also played out beautifully. So let's go on to the next trade. That is the sixth trade, and the next trade, the seventh one, right here. So this actually was a good trade, but that was by the end of the week, that was on Friday, going to the end of Friday. We caught some trade on pound USD 45. Let's look at it. Also here, the GU longs we called before the market closed. This very move right here, we called some longs on the H1. So this is the very trade right here. So we called longs on this one to end the week. That was our entry level, and then we had our TP, our take profit, all the way up here. That was our TP. So this as well played out beautifully from this low all the way to this high. We had about 120 pips once again. So this as well, very good trade. So that is really everything that happened in the week. For from the third week of November, we had a very good time in the markets. I had to record this to keep all these things on a good record for our viewers and subscribers to access them anytime. So that also was a good trade, which also played out to these things. This is a good result from one of the subscribers in the VIP group. You can see the date here we have from 14th of November goes all the way to 17th of November, the same week. So all of these are blue screens. So all of these are profit from the same week. So very good trade, very good time in the markets, I must say. So if you are yet to really consider looking at what we're doing in the private group, you need to give it a thought and then hit the link to get in with us. Peace.